Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Mehndi Love, and today in this video I'm going to teach you how to draw a simple and beautiful Arabic Mehndi design. Hello and welcome back to my channel, and my name is Sharon and I'm a henna artist, and I'm really looking forward into teaching you all the kinds of henna designs, henna portraits and henna face painting, and all about henna products like making henna cones, aftercare oils, sealants, balms, etc. So if you're interested with henna designing, then do subscribe to my channel now itself and click the bell button below for further notifications. And if you're really interested in henna designing and want more designs and all and new creative ideas and all, then do follow me on my Instagram page. It's also called Mehndi Love and the link is in my description. So friends, this is Arabic design. This is really a typical Arabic design. So if you don't know what a Arabic Mehndi design is, the design which is having only flowers, vines, dots, etc. other than all those grids, then shapes like domes, lotus, etc. And in the case of Arabic Mehndi design, we do not do a full coverage design. We used to leave many space inside your hand. The design covers only small area of your hand and there is a lot many space left. But in case of an Indian Mehndi design, there is a full hand design, mostly with small intricate designing, that there is no space left for anything else on your palm. If you ask me which one is really simple to draw, Arabic Mehndi design or Indian henna design, then I will surely say it's Arabic Mehndi design, because if you are a beginner and you are really willing to practice, then Arabic Mehndi designs is easy to study, and once you are studied drawing this Arabic henna design, then it is really less time consuming than Indian Mehndi design and really beautiful to see. But if you are a beginner and you're not that willing to learn Arabic Mehndi designs and you're not good in practicing and all, then it is better you study Indian Mehndi designs, because that would be more helpful for you. This is actually the video of me doing live henna in Instagram page, and it was done by the request of my followers. So I thought I will just upload this in my YouTube also, because it would be helpful for you also. So if you have any suggestions like this, then feel free to DM me in my Instagram page or comment below of this video. And at certain intervals or at a certain time gaps, I used to give a live henna designing tutorial through YouTube also. So if you are really interested in henna designing, then be there on my live henna tutorials, because it would be more helpful for you than these videos. So today's promotion goes to Blushtara02. She has a YouTube channel and an Instagram page, and both are really very nice, and when you get time, please check them out also. And if you also want to get this kind of promotion, then be active on my Instagram page and also on my YouTube channel. So this is my video, and I hope you like my video, and I think it was really helpful for you. So please subscribe to my channel, stay connected, and see you in my next video. Bye.